Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we'll see like how to write a program in Python. For that, first we'll open the IDE, which is PyCharm, which we downloaded in the previous video. Here what you have to do is like click on new project, and you can name the project name as like whatever you can it be. Like I'm giving us like demo April 11, and here this one will be kind of location where it will get stored, and this one is called the base interpreter. What it will do is like it's basically a program that knows how to execute the Python code. So it will interpret or translate the Python code to the machine understandable code. So let's go ahead and create the project. Now what I will do is like I just right click on my project and click on new and just creating a file, Python file. Here what I'm doing is like I'm just giving the name demo.py. So by all convention, all Python file should have this extension .py. Let's type a simple Python program here. Usually what I'll do is like I'll start only writing the print statement, what are the language I use. For example, if TypeScript means or JavaScript means I will use console.log, or in .NET means console.writeline. Similarly, we have some inbuilt functions. Print, it's a statement, and you can give the values inside the quotations. Either it may be single quotes or in double quotes. So what I'm doing is like I'm just giving test demo. Now with this piece of code, what we can do is like we can print the values whatever you type on the screen. Now what you do is like we need to run this code. There are various ways to run this code. One is like click on the file and right click over here and you can give run demo. Otherwise what you can do is like we'll have this tools option runs, and you can give like the run option. If you're giving this run means it will ask this what is the kind of file we need to run, because we have two files over here, which is the existing one main and the one which I created demo.py. Let's see, and also you can make use of this shortcut Alt Shift F10. Now if I click on this, it will ask like which file I need to run, demo. So what you do is like it will just print the statement over here, and what we'll do is like let's add few more print statement like print testing, and what I'll do is like I'll just give print add some asterisk statements, asterisks, and again I'm just typing print some hyphens. That's it. Now what I'll do is like I just simply run this command from this top right side run button. So it will print everything over here. So what you have to understand here is like the Python code gets executed line by line from top. Like it will print the test demo and testing and asterisk and hyphen. So what the interpreter will do is like it will translate or interpret our Python code into the machine language that computers can understand. So whenever we run this program, right, this interpreter start executing or running our program line by line from top, and it will execute the first line, then move to the second line, and so on. So this is how the Python program gets executed. Now let's add some more print statements with quotations. Let's see, print. I will add like quotation asterisk into 10. So what will come over here is like asterisk will get printed the 10 times. So what it means like here you have given the everything as string format, like the testing, test demo, asterisk over here. String is in the sense like it's like kind of a sequence of characters. But here what it is like next to the string we are given some conditions like asterisk, multiplication operator. Multiplication operator is like what we have in max. And here what it will term does like it will kind of expression. So expression is a kind of piece of code that will produce a value. So what the Python interpreter will do is like when you try to execute this line, first it will evaluate this whatever inside the parenthesis. So it will evaluate and put inside the parenthesis, and it will evaluate the expression. So the expression will produce the 10 asterisks and it will get printed on terminal. So with this piece of code, it will display the 10 asterisks in the terminal. Let's see what it will do. See here, it is printing 10 asterisks in the terminal. So these are the some kind of basic lines of code or basic program which we want to know about before getting into our Python. So like the print statement and how it get executed line by line and how the interpreter is getting executed. It is taking one by one and it is executing over here. And from the next session onwards, we'll see about the variables. If you have any doubts, you just add me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you all.